So for our next pattern, we're going to be showing you a she turns, he turns, she turns. I'll start with his footwork. He steps back with his left foot, forward with his right, forward with his left. Now I'm going to be turning slightly to my left, stepping side, finish my rotation, so it's left foot back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll do this with Melina. We've already covered the ladies' underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we do the man's footwork. 1, 2, and here I'm stepping under my own arm. 3, 4. So here the ladies' hands are underneath, mine are on top. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're unwinding. So we finish with another wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do that again. So the lady turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man turns. 2, 3, 4. Lady turns. And finish wheel. 1, 2,